Hi friends! Hola amigos, it's me, Miss Andrea. Today we are going to play with colors and animals. Are you ready? Here we go! Wow! We have barns. There is something inside. What color is this? Yeah, it's red. Say the magic word and see what is inside. Say open. Wow, it's a chick. What does a chick say? Chip, 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 chip. Yeah, and this bar has the number 1 on it. Do you know something that is red, like this bar? Yeah, a red apple. How many apples do you see? Just one. One apple like this bar. Let's put the chick back in. Bye bye chick. Put it in. Put the roof on. Put it on. Good job. The next color is yellow. Say open. Wow! It's a little duck. Quack, 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 quack. It's a baby duck. This bar has the number 2. Do you know something that is yellow like this bar? Yeah, a banana. Bananas are yellow. How many bananas do you see? 1, 2. Say bye bye duck. Quack, 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 quack. Bye bye duck. Put the roof on. Put it on. Bye bye yellow. The next bar is color blue. Say open and see what is inside. Open. Wow! It's a cow. What does the cow say? Moo. Yeah, moo. See, what number is this? Yeah, it's the number 3. Do you know something that is blue? Yeah, a blue balloon. How many balloons do you see? 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this number. Now let's put the cow back in. Put it in. And put the roof on. Put it on. Bye bye blue. The next bar is color green. Say open. Wow! It's a frog. What does the frog say? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Yeah. What number is this? Yes, it's the number 4. Do you know something that is green? Yeah, a green pear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say bye bye frog. See you next time. Put the roof on. Yeah. The next color is purple. Say open. Wow, it's a dog. What does the dog say? Ruff, ruff. Yeah, ruff, ruff. Hi, doggy. How are you? What number is this? Yes, it's the number 5. Do you know something that is purple? Yeah, the plum is purple. How many plums do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say bye-bye, dog. Put the dog back in. Put the roof on. Put it on. Good job. Should we do more? Say more. Okay, the next bar is color brown. Say the magic word. Open. Wow, it's a horse. Neigh, neigh. Do you know something that is brown? Yeah, a bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this number. Good job. Put the horse back in. Put it in. Put the roof on. Put it on. Good job. The next color is the color aqua and has the number 7. Let's see what is inside. Say open. Wow, it's a little bunny. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Wow. Do you know something that is aqua? Like this bar? Yeah, a fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bye bye, bunny. Put it in. Put the roof on. Great job. Should we do more? Okay, let's ask for more. More. This barn is color pink. Say open. Wow, it's a little pig. What does the pig say? Oink, oink, oink. Yeah, you are right. And this barn has the number 8 on it. Do you know something that is pink? Yeah, sunflowers are pink. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this number. Say bye bye, pig. Put it in. Put the roof on. Put it on. Great job. Should we do more? Say more. The next color is orange. Say open. Open. Wow, look at this. It's a little cat. What does the cat say? Meow, 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 meow. This barn has the number 9. Do you know something that is orange? Yeah, the orange fruit. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 oranges. Let's put the cat back in. Put it in. Put the roof on. Put it on. Good job. The last color is the color gray. Say open. Open. Wow. What is this? Yeah, it's a sheep. What does the sheep say? Ba, ba. What number is this? Yeah, it's the number 10. Do you know something that is gray like this barn? Yeah, the goat is gray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Say bye-bye, sheep. Put the sheep back in. Put the roof on. Great job! It was so much fun playing with you. See you next time. Bye bye, friends. Mwah.